Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and in this video we are diving into the world of digital electronics and taking a closer look at the 2 to 1 multiplexer, often abbreviated as MUX. So basically, what is a 2 to 1 MUX? Now you might be wondering what exactly a 2 to 1 MUX. Well, in simple terms, a multiplexer is a fundamental component and digital design that allows us to select one of two input signals and pass it through based on a control signal. So if we further go towards the explanation of inputs and control signal, the 2 to 1 mux has two data inputs, often labeled as D0 or D1 or in1 or in2 as mentioned here, in1 and n2 instead of D0 and D1. Alongside these inputs, there's a control input which dictates which of these data inputs will be transmitted to the output. So let's see this in action. When the control signal is set to 0, the input signal, you can see here, when the control signal is set to 0 or low, the input signal at input 1 is selected and transmitted to the output. If it's high, it's transmitted to the high output directly when this input is set to the low. So conversely, when the control signal is set to the high here, the input signal at D1 is passed to the output. So you can see here, by which you can easily understand that if I set this to low and this to high, and you can see here that these signals, what signal is chosen here is passed to the output. So you can see by this. Now to better understand its behavior, you can also look at the truth table of 2 to 1 mux. This take outlines the relationship between the control signal and the output based on the selected input. And now if we move towards explaining the versatility and applications. Now you might be wondering, where do we choose 2 to 1 muxes? Well, they are widely utilized in various digital systems like ALUs, arithmetic logic units, data selectors, and many more applications are also available in the market. Their ability to efficiently select between multiple inputs based on our control signals make them incredibly versatile. So to wrap things up, the 2 to 1 mux is a vital component in digital electronics, allowing us to streamline data selection and routing within circuits. Its simplicity and effectiveness make it a cornerstone in various digital systems. If we go towards the designing, that how we have to design the 2 to 1 mux, basically you simply require AND gate and a NAND gate, and these are acting as a transistors. You have to draw a circuits on this side and mirror this to the opposite side. So don't worry about it, it's not difficult. You the first input here, it is acting as a common, and the second one is changing here and here too. So this is the basically 2 to 1 mux. Mm, it's over for today. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon if you learn something from me. Thank you.